Hello and welcome to the dog park with me. Hold on. That one's Jazzy. Jazzy, come here. Come here, Mama. Hi, baby. That one's Lexi. Lexi, come here. Marie. Hi, baby. Big dog. Jazzy. Lexi. 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 Wow, she's mean. Come here, Mama. Lexi. Lexi. Y'all, my dog is insane. Not you, Jazzy. You good girl, Mama. But yeah. Oh, hello. There's a trash truck right there. I just met the cutest little family ever, and I was like, oh. I'm gonna flip this back around. Babies. Come here, Lexi. And she's gonna cut her up. Hi, Mama. Hi, Lexi. Oh, okay. 2.5. Hi, girls. Lexi, hi. Hi, babies. Just gonna have fun today. Yap. Hello, and welcome to Babs Online. Little girl. Lexi, you're so cute. Go say hi. Look at that. Jazzy. Jazzy, quick. Come here, baby. Come here, girls. Jazzy. Jazzy. Come here. Come here, Mom. Oh, big girl. They're having so much fun. Also, don't mind that the dogs are out. My toes. And my dogs. Whatever. Get it? Dogs, dogs. Oh, I'm so tired. Maybe I should get a bigger truck. Who knows? Lexi, Jazzy. Lexi, Jazzy. Oh, that's just great. She's going pee again for the 5th time. Here's the girls. Come here, girls. They love each other. Right, Lexi? You love your sister? Oh, goodness. There we go. What's up, Jazzy? Some water, Mama? Lexi, get water, Mama. Come here, babies. Get water. There they are. Good girls. Oh my gosh, y'all. My freaking everything is hurting. Okay, I'm gonna get Lexi water and then come back. There they are, so pretty. Pretty girls. Go get her. Get her, Jazzy. Get her. Get the crazy dog. Jazzy, you want the ball? Ready? Ready? Go get it. Jazzy. No, she does not have the ball. Jazzy, aren't you supposed to get the ball? You crazy girl. Oh, there's a person over there. I should probably stop. baby. Lexi. Lexi. Low-key, the dog park is kind of fun. I'm just sitting here with my dogs, having a good time. Ooh. Let's see how that, oh, that's how that works. Let's see if I can tighten that. Here. Amateur YouTuber hours. A little post for the thumbnail. Hold on. Jazzy, Lexi. What you doing? You girls having fun? Lexi. Oh, that's just right. Come here, Lex. Dear my girl. And there they go. Look at my girls. There they go. Psychos. Come here, babies. There's my Lexi. There's my Lexi. Come here, Mama. Jazzy. Jazzy. Be nice to your sister. Come here. Why is she peeing so much? Come here, Mama. Dear my baby. Dear my baby. He's a pretty girl, Mama. There's a pretty baby. Whoa! And there comes Jazzy. Jazzy! And there they go. They're so funny. Get her, Lexi. Get her. Lexi, where are you, Cujo, Mama? Oh, I love them so much. Oh, I love my dog so much. Come here, Jazzy. Come here, Mamas. Get your sister. Hopefully that was good enough for the thumbnail. Because I don't know. What are you girls doing? Hi, baby. Hi, Jazzy. Hi, sweetie. Kiss? No? Okay. Just got dog slobber all over me, I guess. I forgot the clicker at home. When I get there, I'll be able to pause it. Oh, y'all, my back hurts so bad. My back hurts. It really does. It really does. Should I do yoga here? Lex, you want to do yoga with me? Ooh, that cracks something. Also, if you see a bandage on me, don't worry about it. Was fun. Oh, I probably look dead. Can't even see. Hi, Jazzy. Why can't you see me? Okay, there's a person coming in right now. Oh, and there they go. Going to greet the new person. I'm gonna get down from here because I probably look stupid. But I'll stop recording because I don't want to record anybody without their permission. Okay, we're going to leave now, and yeah. Thanks for watching. And please like and subscribe. Love ya.